So Basenor sent me a Frunk mat. So it comes in this nice sturdy packing. Let me see how it fits. So I gotta open it. Got this beautiful mat. It's a real flexible rubber and easy to clean if you have stains. Let me see how good it fits. Fits perfectly. It has like a real wonderful fit on all these edges. So if you have ever leak or spill, it stays in there. Let me see how that works. So let me say I spill some water in here. You can see the water stays all in the mat. I can take the mat out easy. Stays all in the mat. It has the nice lip. It doesn't go anywhere. And I can just put it back on the floor and put the mat back in. I wipe it off. And it is like new. What if I pour some food in it? Now you see, you might create some stains, but there's no really stain. This is a material which doesn't absorb anything. Let me show you how it works when I wash it off. Let's see how easy those stains go off. And it is as new again. Let me wipe it off with a towel. So really easy stain removal. Flex, the lip, waterproof. What else you want from a Frunk mat?